Hello, this is Rahul Nag, the rep of Durgam Global Health Center, and these people are from our Lord Thanachareli has been transferred to the place called NGO Night Shelter in Tingra Habi. Once we came, now they have been they had been given shelter over here. Like 3 days ago, the police came in the lot in Thanachareli and said these people that they are going to bring them somewhere very good. So at last the police has brought them in the place once again. Here is Rinki. Here is Mamuni and Kishan. Here is Chotu. Shiva. And here is Muni. Here is Dinesh. Here is Raj and his wife Manisha. आपका नाम क्या था भूल गया? Pinky and his little baby. नाम क्या था इसका? Anjali. And here is Shankar. And what is your name? Mini. So this is the room that they have got.
Room का नाम है Rahul.
Okay. And here is Shantanu. কি ভয় লাগে নাকি? আমাদের টিমের মেম্বারই তো তুমি, ফটো না তো ভিডিও। Shantanu, he came to help me today, and he is the son of our yes. नाम की जाने दीपज्योति. He is the son of our sir in the place called NGO Night Shelter. His name is Dipjyoti, and he is also helping me out over here. And here is one more place, one more room has been given. Here lives Moni, and here it is another room where the people's all the men lives over here, and the other room that I have saw where all the women live. Now I'm just going to end the video. Now this is the place, actually shelter, night shelter NGO, that they has been transferred over here, and we are going to work on them now. It's very it's a very good thing that what actually happened. Now we are going to give some educations to them and give something really good for their real better future. So thanks to everyone, thanks to our sir who have given the place. Thank you, see you soon.